Kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong tanong, in how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people? At sinabing ang sagot is 70 ways. Unang papasok sa isip ninyo, paano? So, let me show you how. Let's talk about combination. Ano nga ba ang combination? Kapag sinabi natin combination, a combination is a way of choosing elements from a set in which order does not matter. So, hindi importante yung arrangement. The combination of n things taken r at a time is n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial r factorial. Balikan natin yung tanong na na-encounter natin kanina. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people? Since 4 members yung kailangang i-form from 8 people, n is equal to 8 while r is equal to 4. Substitute natin. 8 factorial over 8 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. So that is equal to 8 factorial over, what is 8 minus 4? That is 4. So we have 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Let 8 factorial be 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. Bakit tayo nag-stop sa 4 factorial? Observe na meron tayong divisor na 4 factorial. Look, since na may 8 sa numerator at may 4 times 2 naman sa denominator, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And then, meron tayong 6 sa numerator and meron tayong 3 sa denominator. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's why we have 7 times 2 is 14 times 5 is 70. Kaya meron tayong 70 ways para makabuo ng committee consisting of 4 members from 8 people. Another example, how many polygons can be possibly formed from 6 distinct points on a plane, no 3 of which are collinear? Tara, solve natin. Tandaan, the polygon may have 3, 4, 5, or 6 vertices. Thus, the number n of possible polygon is n is equal to the combination of 6 things taken 3 at a time plus the combination of 6 things taken 4 at a time plus the combination of 6 things taken 5 at a time, plus the combination of 6 things taken 6 at a time. The combination of 6 things taken 3 at a time is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial 3 factorial, while the combination of 6 things taken 4 at a time is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial 4 factorial, plus the combination of 6 things taken 5 at a time is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 1 factorial 5 factorial. And the combination of 6 things taken 6 at a time is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 0 factorial 6 factorial. So, meron tayong 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3 plus 6 plus 1. So, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 3 is 15, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So, 20 plus 15 plus 7 is equal to 42. So, there are 42 possible polygons that can be formed from 6 distinct points on a plane, no 3 of which are collinear. Alam nyo ba na ang combination of n things taken n at a time is always equal to 1? Example, the combination of 7 things taken 7 at a time is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 7 factorial, 7 factorial, and 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Remember that the special case 0 factorial is equal to 1. So we have 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the combination of 7 things taken 7 at a time is equal to 1. Another, the combination of n things taken 0 at a time is always equal to 1. Example, the combination of 7 things taken 0 at a time is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 0 factorial, 0 factorial. So we have 7 factorial over 7 factorial, 0 factorial. So 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial is equal to 1. We also have the combination of n things taken one at a time is always equal to n. Example, the combination of 7 things taken one at a time is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 1 factorial 1 factorial. So we have 7 factorial over 6 factorial 1 factorial. So the combination of 7 things taken one at a time is equal to 7. We also have the combination of n things taken n minus 1 at a time is equal to n. Example, the combination of 7 things taken 6 at a time is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 6 factorial 6 factorial, and that is 7 factorial over 1 factorial 6 factorial, which is equal to 7. So the combination of 7 things taken 6 at a time is equal to 7, which is our n.